In primetime news this evening, PNP and JLP spar over Sunday rallies.
General Secretaries speak on calling the elections.
And later, Jamaica Gleaner and Jamaica Observer sign MOU. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News. A special welcome to our viewers on onespotmedia.com. I'm Kelisha Williams.
And I'm Sandy Williams. A special welcome to our viewers on TVJ International in the Cayman Islands. Now coming up later in this newscast, we'll have the financial week. But here's Spencer Darlington with a preview of what's to come in sports.
Thank you very much, Sandy. Well, the West Indies are playing Pakistan in the first 50-over match, and we'll give you an update on that later on in Primetime Sports.
Thanks, Spencer. And Romain is also here with a preview of what's to come in the weather report and forecast.
Thanks, Kelisha. We have stronger winds that are expected across southern sections of the island, so we do have a drier pattern that is expected to emerge across eastern parishes starting tomorrow. I'll tell you more in the weather report and forecast.
There's also sports commentary and E-Prime in this newscast, but before the break, the feedback question.
And this evening we're asking, what are your thoughts on how both political parties have conducted their campaigns so far?
Share comments online, facebook.com/televisionjamaica, and tweet us on X on TVJ News Center.
Please stay with us. Primetime News returns right after this break.